Pulling up to the Island Off-Road Jeep Music Festival at Plant Bamboo in Okeechobee, Florida, I did not know what to expect. It's a weekend music festival where you can camp, go on a few trail rides, and enjoy an evening campfire and music at the stage. I've never been to this event, so I was excited to see how the weekend would shake out. Having never pulled the base camp down dirt roads quite like this, pulling into our campsite definitely created some anxiety for me. I just have to remember, it's not going to magically pop off the ball. Everything's going to be fine.
We're going out for a night ride. We were going back and forth about whether or not we had the energy for this, and we just kind of bumbled our way into this now. So we're here, we're lined up, and we're waiting.
Good evening, friends. We are delighted that you are joining us tonight. Hope you're having an incredible day, and we are going to cap it off with an even better night.
The Friday night ride was in honor of fallen firefighters. It was a dark ride, meaning we weren't running any lights at all. I've never been on a night ride quite like that, and some of the radio chatter was interesting, to say the least. I will not be replaying it here. The next morning, I woke up and made my favorite breakfast in the base camp, my version of French toast.
Welcome to Side Quest Saturday. We are going to check out Okeechobee State Park since we're right down the road. We're only 15 miles. I've obviously never been there, so I am looking forward to seeing another state park that I can finally check off my list. I love a Side Quest Saturday. Our first stop on Side Quest Saturday is the Okeechobee Battlefield Historic State Park. I did it right! Yeah! Let's go check it out. Well, of course, we've got the weed whacker, so that's delightful. Oh, it's the Battle of Okeechobee, the Second Seminole War. Oh, ugly parts of American history.
Okeechobee Battlefield Historic State Park is the site of one of Florida's significant battles in the Second Seminole War. The park is open Wednesday through Sunday from 8 to 5 p.m.
Stop number 2 on Side Quest Saturday is Lake Okeechobee Park. This pier is amazing. It goes out over the lake and it's beautiful. So we are here to check it out. If Scott ever buys his boat, I might come back down here. I did not see the cool lizard. A rainbow lizard, native to Africa, living in Florida.
They're in southern Florida and they're moving up.
I'm gonna say it. Idiots buy pets thinking that they're pets and they're not pets. And they drop them off. I mean, people dump dogs, people dump lizards.
We have flocks of parrots in our neighborhood.
You have flocks of parrots in your neighborhood.
They've naturalized, but they started from escaped pets.
Parrots live so long. I love cockatoos, like I've always wanted one, and I won't have one because I understand the seriousness of that.
You have to make plans for it.
They have to be in your will. Can't see it from here, but there are definitely gators out there. I have confirmed with my binoculars. The nature parts of Florida, hands down amazing. Mickey said lunch and now I'm hungry. What's for lunch? Same thing we eat every lunchtime, Bonnie. I don't know, I got SpaghettiOs. I guess just another sandwich. Cook up another burger. So far, I mean, 2 meals I've cooked. No fire alarm. That's a win for me. So we stopped at Publix because that's what you do. And we've got ice, we've got water. I grabbed sushi for lunch because I roll like that. And now we're heading back to the event. Great Side Quest Saturday.
After crossing one more state park off my list, we headed over to the bonfire at the main stage. Let's talk about being a noob and trying to flex when you're boondocking. Florida is a tricky place to boondock because of our weather, which leads me to this weekend, and this is your public service announcement as a noob. Remember that your Truma system runs on propane as well as electric. I completely forgot that I could heat the coach with propane, and I was quite chilly. And of course, I left my fan open because I like to have the ventilation. Noob mistake. I did not make that mistake the second night, and that's how we'll be running the heat from now on, because I will say, I found it to be more efficient, like it got warmer faster, and it stayed more consistent. It's great to flex the boondocking skill set and learn new things, and I even am doing water management a lot better than the first time I ever boondocked in this, where I just blew through water like nothing.
We're down at the vendor area at the Island Off-Road Jeep Music Festival, and we are going to check out some vendors. It's a small sort of situation, and that's okay. I could definitely use a fun beverage, and maybe I'll find a treat here for me. I love treats. We are currently trying to figure out how the raffle works. Let's check some stuff out. I want to win a raffle. Frying up some food I can't eat because it will make me ill. Mini donuts look good. I didn't get a chance to go in here yesterday because I was getting my smoothie. Ooh, look, there's a camper version of my luggage.
Wait, I don't know how to...
It's already recording. You don't have to do anything. You just have to point it at me. You're pointing at yourself.
Oh my God.
It's cold and it smells like bananas.
Well, I didn't know anything about
Oh yeah! Everyone's getting like a preview of what I want to do in the future. I'm giving away secrets today. Why am I looking at it and scared like there's needles in my arm? There's something happening here. Question I didn't think to ask. What if you're allergic to the paint? We don't know. Mickey's got Zyrtec. We should be all right. Whoa! That's so cool! What fun! How much fun is that? And I bought new coffee. I'm gonna try new coffee. I love coffee vendors. We totally forgot to participate in the vendor raffle. Oh well.
All right, we're holding 489.
You got in the vendor?
747.
Pat was smart.
489
We were not.
747.
Mickey won!
While I enjoyed the event, I think this is a one and done for me. The location is great, but there wasn't a whole lot of music for an event advertised as a music festival. It's a small event and I hope they continue to grow because I see so much potential for this one. After a slow-paced Sunday, the ladies and I enjoyed a quiet evening. A nice campfire, sharing stories with friends, looking up at a clear night sky. It's the best way to close out a great weekend with friends.